Hello Cyber Ninjas! Welcome to your digital dojo of the Injective Ecosystem updates. It's July and we're slicing through the latest and greatest in blockchain and crypto. In this episode we've got stealthy upgrades, sharp new partnerships, and explosive developments that are revolutionizing our network. Ready your digital katanas and activate stealth mode because we're about to navigate the shadows of the crypto world, uncovering hidden gems and cutting-edge innovations. Let's leap into action and unveil what July has in store for us. A fantastic 2 weeks for Injective Ecosystem as Injective Ecosystem gets a new and improved bridge, the ultimate gaming layer, and the growing Discord role while Helix launches ZRO futures trading. Your one-stop channel for the Injective Ecosystem covering new dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, airdrops, and a bunch of other updates in this episode. Let's dive in and unpack the biggest news within Injective. The Injective Bridge upgrades enhance the user experience. The Injective Bridge has recently undergone significant upgrades, further improving its functionality and user experience. These enhancements include a dual wallet flow and a seamless one-click swap feature, streamlining the process of bridging assets to Injective. 1. Dual wallet flow. The Injective Bridge now supports a dual wallet flow, allowing users to deposit with MetaMask into Kelper or Ninji and vice versa. This feature enhances flexibility and interoperability between popular wallets, making it easier for users to manage their assets across different platforms. 2. One-click swap. A new one-click swap feature has been introduced, enabling users to convert their ETH to wrapped Ether, or WETH, directly before bridging to Injective. This eliminates the need for separate conversion steps, simplifies the process, and saves users time. Helix introduced a pre-launch features for Layer 0. Layer 0 enables applications to move data seamlessly across blockchains. It supports censorship-resistant messages and permissionless development through immutable smart contracts, ensuring a secure and versatile platform for developers and users. This means there is plenty of interest in the Layer 0 token ZRO, and Helix can pull quite a bit of volume through the pre-launch futures trading. Additionally, Helix added spot trading for Synesis 1, or SNS, which is an enterprise AI data engine. Synesis 1 was initially only available on Solana and has now expanded to Injective. Synesis 1 brings decentralized AI, trained networks, a crowdsourcing platform, and more. Athena Labs rewards USDE, USDT LP stakers with sats on mito. Sets Athena Labs integrated sats, Athena points, on mito, USDE, USDT liquidity pool LP stakers can earn 15 times sats daily. These incentives are now available on Mito, a cutting-edge protocol developed on Injective for DeFi automated trading, launchpads, and real-world assets. Mito uses smart contracts and automated trading vaults to make crypto trading more accessible. Injective integrates the graph to bring open data to builders globally. Injective is now available on the Graph's decentralized network through a Firehose and Substrate integration, enabling millions of developers to scale their dApps using on-chain Injective data. This collaboration represents a significant advancement in enhancing developer capabilities on Injective, making it the first IBC-compatible chain to leverage the Graph's powerful indexing solutions. TRIA and Injective integration. The integration of USD's on-chain technology with the Injective blockchain marks a significant milestone in the quest for a more user-friendly blockchain space. By addressing key issues such as gas fees and cross-chain liquidity, usdy is enhancing the UX for dApps and users. Dega becomes the gaming layer for Injective. Injective is expanding into the gaming sector through a strategic integration with Dega. Injective will be incorporating Dega's advanced gaming layer. To celebrate this integration, Dega reintroduces the Great Benediction on Dega elements for a limited time. Earn the exclusive Ronin role on Injective. The highly anticipated Ronin role has been released on the Injective Discord server, offering exclusive benefits and opportunities for the most dedicated members of the Injective community. The Ronin role is a prestigious and limited position awarded to members who actively support and engage with the Injective ecosystem, going above and beyond in their participation and contributions. Injective Builder House 2024 in ETHCC. Injective is set to host Injective Builder House 2024 on July 10th during ETHCC in Brussels. ETHCC events foster collaboration and innovation among the brightest minds in Web3, and Injective Builder House will offer you the chance to connect, learn, and innovate with the best in the industry. Injective establishing presence in major global markets. The prominent billboards in New York City, Seoul, Hong Kong, Ho Chi Minh City, and Bangkok are a testament to Injective's dedication to increasing visibility and awareness in key global markets. This signifies Injective's commitment to balancing its rapidly growing ecosystem development with innovative marketing efforts. Injective makes waves in Japan, Kyoto Tech Fusion event. Injective is making significant strides in Japan, co-hosting the IVS Kyoto event alongside Japanese gaming giant Gumi and Cointelegraph. This event, set to take place in the historic city of Kyoto, promises to be a major milestone in expanding Injective's global community and influence. Mission accomplished, Cyber Ninjas. We've reached the end of this month's recon in the Injective ecosystem. Thanks for joining me on this high-octane adventure through the cutting edge of blockchain technology. If you enjoyed decrypting the Injective crypto secrets with us, don't forget to hit that like button and see if we can hit it to 100 likes. Drop a comment below with your stealthiest insights or what you want us to cover next. And subscribe to stay razor sharp with all our future updates. Until next time, keep your wits sharp and your codes encrypted. Ninjas out.